Here we are back at Walnut Labs. This is experiment number 2 with the distillation of high-density polyethylene plastic known as number 2 plastic. If you recall the last time, we ended up with a distillate of sort of a waxy paraffin in the bottom of this jar. What we're going to do today is we have a superheating apparatus set up so that we're going to distill the plastic and then superheat the distillate and see if we get all gas. This is the distillate that we ended up with last time, and as you recall, when we heated this in a spoon, it just ignited and burned very violently. Here's today's distillation apparatus, okay? We have in the retort 2 cut up milk jugs, our standard of energy for here. Alright, the gas is coming out of here and then it's going into the second burner through a stainless steel hose. It's being superheated and then it's going to come out in the end out here. And as you can see, we're already starting to get some gas out of there. As you can see, we've ignited the gas coming out. Now right now we are not getting any distillate. Now that just went out, but we're getting all gas right now, and that's what we want. The hope is that we can completely gasify the plastic and use it in an engine without any other processes. Okay, now after we've been distilling for quite a while, we are starting to get the paraffin. It's starting to drip here. So we have not been able to superheat that, even though if you look at this retort, we've got a good heat going on that coil of stainless steel pipe in there. So we're going to have to go on to the next step and figure out what to do. Okay, now right now you can hear the distillate boiling inside our superheater. We are getting some distillate dripping out of the pipe, but not nearly as much as we got last time. If we were able to keep this section of the pipe hot, that might stop happening. Okay, we've been running our apparatus for about 15 minutes now. We are getting the paraffin out and we're getting a lot of smoke, which to me is indicating that the paraffin is boiling off in the superheater. But some of it is still coming out, or some of it is still distilling in the pipe as it comes out. But for 2 milk jugs, we're really getting a lot of energy here. Okay, this is our new distillate. Now this is produced at a much higher temperature. You notice the color of the distillate from last experiment was sort of a darkish green. This is much lighter. It is a little bit looser at room temperature, and now we're going to try to ignite it. Okay, now we have the new distillate in a spoon here. And you can see it's not burning as violently as the first one was. But as it gets hot, it may change. Yeah, see, it's starting to get hot. Yeah, there it is again, that violent burning. As it begins to gasify. Again, lots of energy there. Now here we are 5 minutes later, and this is still burning. And it's burning with quite a lot of smoke. So we do have something that's slightly different here, distilled at the higher temperature.